No wonder waterfalls are so popular on YouTube. They're really fun. This would be an awesome area to come hike if you have proper boots. Yeah, I'm actually gonna fucking love this. Left here, right? There's a map right there. Not that it would help. Oh, there's a map. It's behind that tree. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna go that way. Let's see what we can find. Oh, here's where we're gonna hang up left. We have to go left here, not right. Right? Here we go. I'll pull up over here just in case I'm flying around the corner. Pipe break. I know. I just said there's a pipe break. Maybe you can move the pipe. Sure? Don't worry about the fucking dog. I just want to get out of here. No. Come on. Now we're gonna turn.
Thanks for continuing to watch Lovin' It on Phuket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you'll know when the next video in this series is posted. Until then, check out the rest of the videos in this series or this other video recommended by YouTube.